Hello children, namaste everyone, welcome back to the mathematics class. In the last video we have seen about prime factorization of a given number. How to find the prime factors of the given number and co-prime numbers also. About this we have seen. Today we will take a chapter HCF, highest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple. Highest common factor HCF and least common multiple LCM. See, let us take what is the highest common factor. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. What is the HCF of 24 and 36? See, you know 24, the factors of 24 are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24, isn't it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. By these numbers, you can divide these 24 completely. We have seen. Then 36, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, then say 12, after 12, see 18, then 36. These are the factors. In that, which are the common factors? 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, 6 is a common factor, 12 is a common factor. Then no factors are common. That 24 extra, 18 and 36. So in that, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the common factors. That factors are common to both 24 and 36. Therefore, in that highest, which is the common factor, which is the common factor of highest common factor, 12 is the highest common factor. Therefore, highest common factor of 12 and 36 is 12. So, like this we will find. But another easy method is there. By prime factorization method, you can find the highest common factor of that given number. Not necessary to do like this. See, by using prime factorization method. So what is that prime factorization method? See, 24, you can write by this also. Divide, go on divided by 24, find the factors of 24. 2, 12 are 24, then again by 2, 6 are 24, again by 2, 3 are 24, finish. So 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Is it, you know, prime factorization. Prime factorization method, you have studied this one. So, or you can write it as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power of 1. Okay. Next, 36. In the same way, find the prime factors of 36. So, what you have to do? By finding the prime factorization method, you have to go by smallest prime numbers. Smallest prime numbers. If it is possible, by that number, you have to go for next, very next prime number. So, 2 18s are 36, again by 2 9s are 18, again by 2 you can't, you have to go for 3, next prime number, 3 3s are. So, 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. Okay. So, here, see here, how to find the prime factors? How to find the prime factors here? Look at these prime factors. 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. See, highest common factors to find out, what you have to do is, see, if you write in this form, in this, if common numbers are there, for example, 2 is a common number, but here power is 3, here the power is 2. So you have to, where it is least, there you have to take. See, least power is here, that is 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 to the power 2. You have to take here 3 to the power 2 to the power 2. Least power where it comes, that one you have to take. And 3 is also common factor. Here also common factor, here also common factor. Where is the power less, least power? It is here. There it is 2, it is here 1. So you have to take this one. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. Like this you have to take. So the small, if you write in this exponential exponential form or using this power where it has, if it is common in both the numbers, where it is less, that you have to take. Here it is 2 to the power here 3, it is 2 here, therefore it is less, therefore you have to take 2 to the power 2. Then 3 is also common factor, but the power is less here, 3 to the power 1 you have to take. So what is our answer? 2 to the power 2 is 2 into 2. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. See, there also you have found it as 12. Okay, like this you will do. So to find the HCF you have to do like this. So what is the LCM? Suppose what is the LCM of this? It is asked you to find the LCM of 24 and 36. See, to find this, you have to take the highest power where it comes. To find the HCF, you have to take the least powers of the common factor. Next, to find the LCM, you have to write the highest powers of all the factors. Here, highest power is 2 to the power of 3 into, and 3 is the common, it is common here. See, 3 is the factor here and here also. The power is more here, so you have to take 3 to the power 2. So this is the LCM. So to find the HCF, what you have to do? You have to find the HCF, you have to multiply the least powers of the common factor. In that common, it should contain in both. If 2 numbers are there, it must be there in both the numbers. To find the LCM, you have to multiply all the highest powers of all the factors. See here, highest power 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the LCM of these 24 and 36. Number 24 and 36. So what is the product? That is the LCM of this. Okay. Let us see another number. Find the HCF of. Suppose there are 3 numbers like this. There also you have to use the same procedure. See, for example, I will write find the HCF of 12, 15, 25 and 30. Say 30. So what is the HCF of 15, 25 and 30? What you have to do? 15 divided by 2, if not possible. So 3 5s are 15. So 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Return. Then 25. Is it possible to divide by 3? No. 2 can't. 3 can't. Then you have to go for 5. 5 5s are 25. That can also finish. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Then 30. 30 you can divide by 2. 2 15s are. Then 3 5s are. So 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So what is the HCF here? See, HCF means here 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Here 5 to the power 2 only, and here 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Least powers of the common factor you have to take. Whether 3 is common here, 3 is not present here. In 25 3 is not there. Therefore you can't take this 3. Whether 2, is it possible to 2? No, 2 is present here, but 2 is not present here and here. So you can't take that 2 also. Next, 5 is the factor. That is a factor here, 5 is a factor here, and 5 is a factor here. So 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 1 there. So common, if it is common in the given numbers, then only you have to take. 5 is the factor, it is common to both all the 3 numbers, 15, 25 and 30. So 5 to the power 1 here, 5 to the power 2 here, 5 to the power 1. Here 5 2s are there, 1 5 and 1 5. So in that list where, so 1 power 1. So 5 to the power 1. HCF is 5 to the power 1 because 5 is the common factor. 5 is the common factor of all these numbers, and in that 5 is 1. Here 1, here 2, there 1. 5 into 5, 2 5s are there, but 1 5 is common. Therefore, that is 5 to the power 1 is 5. 5 is the HCF of these 3 numbers. Like this you have to take. So, if it is common in that all that 3, in that the power having less powers you have to take as HCF. Okay. Suppose if it is asked you to find the LCM, what you have to do? Highest powers of all the numbers I record. So 3 is a factor. 3 to the power 1 here, 3 to the power 1 is there, 3 not there. However, you have to take that 3 to the power 1 into 5. 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 there, 1 there. So 5 to the power 2 is the highest factor. 5 into 5 are there. So you have to take. Then 2 is also one of the factors. See here it is 2 is, though 2 is not present here and here, there it is present. 2 is a factor of 30. Therefore you have to take 2 to the power 1. So this is the LCM. So 2 to the power means 2. So you have to write here. So 2, let us write here. 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 2. 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 2. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 is the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 150. 150 is the LCM of 15, 25 and 30. And 5 is the HCF of 15, 25 and 30. So HCF and LCM we will find like this. Let us take another example. Only LCM. What is the LCM of? What is the LCM of? Let us see what is the LCM of, say 24 and 90. 24 and 90. HCF of 24 and 90. See 24, go on divide by 2. 2 12s are 24. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are, so that finished. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 90. 2 45. Then 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Then 3 5s are, so 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 90 is equal to like this. What is the LCM? LCM I told you, all the highest powers of all the numbers. See here 2, 2, 2. Here 1, 1, 2. So you have to take these 3's. Correct? Here 3 are there. 2 to the power 3 are there. So 2 to the power 3. That means 2 into 3, 2 into 3. LCM to write all the powers here. Then 3. Here 1, here 2 are there. So where it is more than that one you have to take. So 3 to the power of 2 or 3 into 3. You have to take more here, therefore 3 into 3 you have to write. You have to take. Then here finished, but here 5 is there. Though it is not present here, you have to take that 5 also. So into 5, into 5. How many 5s are there? Only 1 5. So it's enough. Suppose 2 5s are there, here 1 5, you have to take that 2 5s. So the product of this is the HCF, LCM, least common multiple. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, it is a LCM. So find the product. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are, what is the product? What is the product of this? That is the LCM of 24 and 90. Okay. In the same, suppose let us take another example. 3. Suppose 3 numbers are there like this. What is the LCM of 40, 48 and 45? 40. Yes, 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. That finished. So 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then 48. 48 is equal to 24. 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Like this, we can divide like this. So 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are and 1 3. Okay. Then 45. You can't divide by 2, so you have to go for 3. 3 15s are 45. Then again by 3, 3 5s are 15. So 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So how to find the LCM of all these numbers? 40, 48 and 45. LCM of 40, 48 and 48, 45. So here you have to write. Here let us take 2. 2 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 4 are there. Here there is no 2. But you have to take that 2. Where it contains more, that you have to take. So 2 is, though 2 is not here, but it is present here and here. So you have to take that. But here 3 2s are there. Here 4 2s are there. So that this one you have to take. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2s are. So 2 you have to take from here. Next 3. Where 3? 3 is not present here, but 3 is present here. It is present here also. Here only 1 3. Here 2 3s are there. Whether you have to take this one or this one? Yes, you have to take where it is more, that one you have to take. Here 3, 2 3s are there. So you have to take that 3 3s. So 2 3s, 3 into 3. This one you have to take, not from here. Then 5. 5 is there. 5 is a factor here. Not present here, no matter. But 5 is the factor of this one and that number. How many 5s are there? Here 1 5. There are also 1 5. So 1 5 is enough if you take 1 5. Suppose here 2 5s are there. This 5 into 5, 2 5s are there. This one you have to take. Okay, not 1 5. Where it is more, you have to take that one. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 from here, 3 into 3 into 3 from there, because there it is more. 5 is common, only 1 5, so into 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5.